Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can support miniatures for resin printers with the quickest way. So basically it's going to apply for every slicer, something like lychee slicer, prusa slicer, and many more. In my case, I'm using the Cheeto box slicer right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through support, and for most slicers there's going to be this feature called auto support. So you can just go ahead and click on it and it will actually apply supports according to your model. Now in here, and I also suggest turning on something like cross bracing. This will actually strengthen our supports altogether. So finally, let's click on apply. It will apply the best support for our current model. And the last thing that I recommend is fixing the islands of your model. So in my case, it's going to be inside the slice option. I'm just going to simply slice it. And then right after, just click on something like detect island. And then if it says that no island exists in the current slice file, it means that you are good to go. If there is, you could then fix that quickly and that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.